Hey, I'm Adenn, rhymes with maiden, and it is nice to meet you. I'm an artist and DIY crafter based out of Houston, Texas, but I'm originally from Rhode Island, so I don't know how much of a Texan that really makes me. Howdy. I am obsessed with anything and everything that I can DIY. I want to do it all. Everything. Tie-dye, acrylic paint, pom-poms,
marker illustrate, sewing, costumes, polymer clay, latch hooking, sublimation printing, murals.
Basically, anything that's gonna let me be creative and make some cool stuff. And then I'll probably make a video out of it. Whether I'm successful or not might be a different story. Maybe there's something that you can learn from it. I put out new videos about once a month-ish. I've been doing art ever since I was a kid. I don't think that's really that much different from everybody else. The trick is to keep going. A lot of us lose that spark somewhere along the way. My aesthetic runs somewhere between rainbow bright and dark and moody. We are all a slave to life's algorithm. So I'm always trying something new. I've spent time working as a jewelry manufacturer, photographer, a painting instructor, blogger, a writer, a corporate content creator, general creative being. And now I'm here, and you're here too. So consider subscribing. Hit that bell icon if you want notifications every time I post a new video. And let's get started making some cool stuff. Also, I have cats.